All right, Joseph, I like asking you about the prosecution. You've been critical of how they've handled this case. So I turn to you about the rebuttal closing. What do you think of what we're seeing?
Man, I just heard something from that prosecutor I thought I'd never hear. He actually said right up front, everybody tells part truth. Oh, is that right? So I guess what you're admitting to, sir, is that you intentionally put perjured testimony on the stand, which, by the way, is a crime. That's unbelievable to me that that fool would stand up there and say that, which actually is the truth. So too late because now the defense, due to procedure, can't comment on that. But if you got several smart jurors on that panel, which I'm sure that you do, probably they're all really smart, they're going to just lose their mind over that because they ought to. In addition, this man is arguing using the pronoun we when he talks about how this poor gal unfortunately lost her life and the violence that ensued that. Well, what point did he prove there was a we involved with the physical part of killing this person? Come on, man. How are you going to stand there and argue that and you didn't even bother to prove it? That's such a weak tactic that the defense should have set them up for that and just crushed them on that they were going to do that because that's just pathetic. That's unprofessional. And then lastly, when he violated the court order by saying the little girl's name, how come the judge didn't get involved in that deal? You know what that could be right there? A mistrial. And the defense didn't even object or try and protect that little girl. Why didn't the defense lawyer stand and say, Your Honor, that man knows he's not supposed to say that name so we can protect the innocent. And there he is doing it again so he can win. Where was that argument? Man, I don't understand why everyone's just sitting around doing nothing.
All right, Byron, I give you a chance. What do you think?